Hey, this is Justin from DroneMobile, here to talk to you about the Drone XT battery settings. Let's get into it. We designed the Drone XT to be a dynamic, reliable, and highly customizable GPS tracker to fit your life. And how you use it will determine what battery setting is right for you. To see how your Drone XT's battery is currently set up, open the DroneMobile app and go to power saving modes. The first power saving mode that we'll talk about today is energy saving mode. This is the default setting that your Drone XT will be set to when you activate your device. We recommend this option if you want regular updates and alerts from your tracker, or if you want to use the Drone XT's environmental sensors. In energy saving mode, GPS and LTE connectivity stay active in a low power state. The XT updates its location whenever you open the DroneMobile app or when one of the sensors are triggered. Under normal operating conditions, the Drone XT's battery will last up to 3 weeks without a recharge. You can definitely get a little bit more battery life depending on how often you're communicating with a device. The other option you'll notice in the DroneMobile app is deep sleep mode. This setting is ideal if you're placing the Drone XT on a vehicle or an asset that is mostly stationary. Think boats during the off-season or vehicles that are sitting in the garage. Under ideal conditions, the Drone XT's battery can last up to 10 months in this setting. That makes it a great solution for tracking things for extended periods of time. Please note, when the Drone XT is in deep sleep mode, there are a few important things to understand. When the device is asleep, communication between your phone and the XT is paused. If you ever want to take the Drone XT out of deep sleep mode, you'll need to manually shake the device to activate its movement sensor. Once it wakes up, the Drone XT will go into energy savings mode for 10 minutes, giving you time to send commands or adjust settings to your preference. After that 10 minutes is up, the Drone XT will revert back to deep sleep mode so that it can conserve the battery. Deep sleep is a powerful feature for tracking something that shouldn't move, but the setting does come with some trade-offs in terms of responsiveness and communication. So which setting is right for you? Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos to learn more about the Drone XT.